Welcome to Al-Kabi training. This is a video showing how a new forklift driver practice on stacking at eye level and then destacking from a racking system. Once the driver deposits the pallet on its position, he starts looking behind backwards on both shoulders and reversing straight. Then stop, applying the handbrake, keeping the gear in neutral and lowering the forks. And then reversing to the starting point. Then we'll go to destack the same pallet from the same level. We'll approach, applying handbrake, keeping gear on neutral and starting lifting. Slowly proceeding forward. Once he inserted the forks as the level required, he again will apply the handbrake, keeping gear in neutral, and then will lift the pallet, lifting up and then tilting backwards. Now as we see, he's starting reversing, backward, looking at both shoulders, slowly also. Once he is clear from the racking system, we'll stop, applying the handbrake, gear on neutral and lowering the forks. Keeping the pallet above the ground by 6 inches for the travel position and starting reversing to the starting point again. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel.